Yan na guys, nag-makeup ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Magmamask naman pala tayo. I forgot. But, there. I'm ready. Ito outfit natin today. And I have an extra one over there. Kita nyo ba? Ayun. Nadalhin ko na lang siya. I'm just gonna fix my face. Masyadong maputi. And then, we're gonna go. So, habang hindi pa ako super pawis, alis na tayo at punta na tayo dun sa cafe. I'm just gonna take photos and then go back here ASAP and maliligo na ako. Ayun. Medyo ni-reveal ko ang secret ko. Hindi ako naligo kasi maliligo ako kabalik ko after ko mag-photo. As in, magpa-photo lang tayo. So, let's go! See you later! Hi guys! Oh my gosh! Ang lakas ng ulan. Saktong-sakto lang na nakauwi ako. Naririnig niyo ba? Super lakas. Hey! Hindi ako nagsalita the whole time na nasa cafe ako kasi hindi ko din masasama yung mga clips if nagsalita ako dun kasi ang lakas ng sounds dun sa cafe. Maganda naman yung sounds nila, yung playlist nila, super Korean. Para talaga akong nadala sa Therese Cafe sa Seoul. Super na-miss ko talaga yung Korea. Yun, super nag-enjoy ako kasi the whole cafe was for me dahil kaka-open lang nila today and yun, hindi alam ng mga tao na it's open na. So, I was there and ayun, super saya na naka-go out ako today and everything. Nakadalawang outfit pa ako kanina. So, ayun, nag-prepare tayo ng 2 outfits to shoot para may dalawa tayong ipopost. So, there. Maliligo na ako niyan dahil kakauwi ko. So, ayan, maliligo ako in a bit and I'll go back to you guys. Yun ako sanay mag-vlog, grabe. I'll get back to you. Super pawis ko na. So guys, nakaligo na ako, natuyo na din buhok ko and I don't know what else to vlog today. I just decided to pick up my camera today because I've been waiting for that cafe to open. And I'm so glad it's open already and I got to go there. Na ako lang mag-isa yung nasa cafe. But a while ago, I was alone and I couldn't take so much pictures. And ang taba ko ngayon guys, hindi ko alam bakit. So magpapapayat na talaga ako. Sa mga matagal na nanonood ng vlogs ko, alam nila hindi ko kaya mag-diet, pero try natin. Hindi tayo magda-diet, pero babawasan natin yung kakainin natin. Bawasan natin yung mga midnight snack, midnight drinks. So, ayun. I'll get back to you later. I'm just gonna fix my things. Ang dami kong gamit. I-disinfect ko at ilalagay ko sila sa tamang lugar. So, bye. I'll see you later. I'm gonna change my sheets later and I'm gonna take you with me while I work with some things. I don't know. Basta. I'll see you in a bit.
Anyways, yes, today we have our very special guest. You guys probably recognize his voice already. But yes, please welcome Han-Bi.
Oh no, I gave my heart away. Went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul, but babe, how could I know you're cold?
I might not say goodbye na later kasi magsi-skincare na lang tayo, inom ng melatonin, and then we're gonna sleep. So I hope you subscribe, like, and hit the bell button, and I'll see you in the next videos. But I'm not gonna end this video pa. Let's get ready to bed.
가능하겠어요? 내가 하루 아프면 어쩌겠어요? 입으로 뱉었어.
우리 엄마 만나줘. 송이엔 챙겨주시면 나 때문에요. 잃는 게 있으면 대신 얻는 게 있어요.